Our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to schedule your post on your Facebook, how to schedule your post. So let's go to our Facebook. This is our Facebook interface. Now you see this plus menu button. Click on the plus menu button. You can see you have a post, so click on your post here now. So I'm going to write on just something random to say how you're going to schedule your post. Let me just write something. Yeah, and you click on, once you have write or you have clicked on anything you wanted to post here, just click on next, and this is it. Now this is where you see it. Who can see your post? Now scheduling your options, scheduling option. Click on the scheduling option. You want to post now or schedule for later. Now this is where you set your schedule for later. When did you want to post this thing exactly? So let's say I wanted to post it on Monday morning, like good morning or happy new week or something like that. So just click on Saturday, just click on Monday here, click on Monday, click on OK. You can see immediately under you're going to set the time. Or let me set 2 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Now click on OK, and immediately by 12 o'clock on Monday, this my post is going to drop on my timeline. So it is very easy to schedule your post. For example, now you wanted to post something by next week and you don't want to forget by posting it, you can just drop it here and schedule for later. Then automatically your post will be scheduled for exactly that time and that day that you already saved it here, and exactly by that time Facebook is going to post your story immediately at the exact time you schedule for it. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.